Hey Pandas, I'm Mr. Elkins, your principal.
And I'm Mrs. Gardner, your assistant principal.
We hope you had a wonderful summer and you're excited to come back to what we know will be an awesome school year. We have a few things to tell you so that you're well prepared for this upcoming school year. And we're going to do that by going around the building. So come with us. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm here in our car rider parking lot. This is where you'll come in the mornings if your child, and in the afternoons if your child is a car rider. Our morning arrival is from 7:50 to 8:20. We will give some grace the first few days of school, but we're really going to start buckling down this year on that 8:20 time with tardies because we really want to get our day started off on time. So if you could really help us by getting up just a little bit earlier in the mornings to get through that car rider line, that would be greatly appreciated. Our afternoon dismissal is from 2:50 to 3:15. You're more than welcome to come before these times. And just understand that this is what the car rider line in the afternoons will look like for the first couple of weeks of school. So please just be patient with us. We love you, but our number one job is to get everybody home safely, in the right cars, safely and efficiently as possible. So we are going to take our time in the afternoons, making sure that we get everybody in the right cars. But on a normal basis, we'll be done by 3:15 each day. So we appreciate your support. I do want to let everybody know that the district is experiencing some busing challenges for these first couple of weeks. So if you would like to have your child be a car rider the first couple of weeks of school, that may not be a bad idea while the district works out some of those kinks with the buses. If your child definitely needs to ride the bus, that's okay. Absolutely. Please just be patient with us those first couple of weeks as we make sure everybody on the bus as well gets home safely. So we love you guys. Thank you. If you have any questions about any transportation, stop by the media center before you leave. All right, if you would like to walk your child in during the first week of school to their classroom, you're gonna do exactly what you just saw there. You're gonna park in the parking lot on the opposite side of the car riders, and you're gonna walk your child in. You'll sign in as a visitor, and then you may walk them to class. So there will be plenty of people to direct you on where to go, but please know we ask that you only walk your child in during the first week of school, except for kindergartners. We always allow our kindergartners to walk in throughout the school year, but if you're first through fifth grade, I promise you that your kiddo will know how to get to where they need to after the first week of school. But if you would like to walk them in, definitely just follow those procedures. Thank you.
Hi Pandas, this is our cafeteria and our serving line. So breakfast and lunch for all of our students this year is free. Yep, you heard me right. Breakfast and lunch is free. You can fill out the form to get some extra benefits, but the free lunch form is not needed in order to have free breakfast and free lunch. So every Piney Grove student will receive free breakfast and lunch. If you have any questions, stop by the cafeteria before you leave today.
Hey Pandas, I want to take just a few seconds and talk about attendance. If you happen to get an attendance letter that looks like this, I promise it is okay. We're going to work with you through it. Most of the time when you get one of these unexcused attendance letters, we just need some doctor's notes or some explanation as to why your child missed school. We just want to make sure that they're here with us when they can be. So if you ever need any help with this, please ask your teacher, or if you do happen to get one of these letters, just let us know and we'll be happy to work with you through it. These letters are generated from the state. They're a form letter. Yes, they do have our names on it and our identification on there, but they come to us from the state. So please just know that we're here to work with you through it. And if your child is ever absent, please just send in a note letting us know why. Thank you so much. This is the medication administration form for Forsyth County Schools. If you can just make sure if your child needs to have medicine here at school administered by our school staff, please make sure you fill out one of these and you get one of these forms before you leave tonight. They are in our front office, and any of the individuals in the front office can help you with it. But this does have to be filled out by a doctor or a physician. So please make sure that you get these to us as soon as possible so we have everything in line to administer any medicines for your child beginning at the start of school. So if you have any questions, just come see the front office. Thank you. Thanks for going on the tour with us around the school. We hope you have a wonderful school year. We love y'all so very much. If you ever have any questions for us, please don't ever hesitate to stop by the front office. And we hope you have a wonderful open house with your teachers. Have a great night. Bye.
Bye, Candace.